At first glance, the lynx may seem like a shy forest recluse, silent, graceful, even lazy. But don't be fooled. This cat is a ruthless predator. It doesn't chase at ambushes. It doesn't roar, it strikes. Today, we dive into wild footage that proves one thing: the lynx is nature's silent assassin. And some of these attacks you've never seen before. Let's get into it. A peaceful group of ducks feed from people's hands when a lynx darts in from nowhere, grabs one mid-peck, and vanishes like a ghost. No quacks of warning, just silence. Another lynx meets another rattlesnake. No flinching. She grabs it by the head, ignoring the risk of being bitten. Soon, the snake becomes dinner. Glowing eyes approach a fence. Without hesitation, the lynx hops over, snatches a chicken, and leaves. But she's not done. Seconds later, she comes back, takes another, and vanishes again. A squirrel munches a nut. Unaware, just meters away, a lynx creeps up silent as the wind. One lunge, and it's over. In Nevada, miners on their way to work snapped 3 photos. They show a lynx dragging a fully grown deer, no struggle, no sound. Just another day in the wild. A trail camera captured a shocking moment: a lynx latching onto a deer's throat in a lightning-fast attack. The deer resisted, struggling to rise, but it was pinned. Then, an unexpected twist, another deer appeared and charged at the lynx, trampling both. The predator retreated, but it was too late. The wounded deer couldn't move. Its brave companion realized the risk and fled. Victory for the lynx. Another coyote approaches a lynx feeding on prey. Big mistake. The lynx turns, attacks, and the coyote bolts. The food remains with the true predator. The lynx isn't just after birds and deer. She meets a rattlesnake and doesn't hesitate. With surgical strikes of her paw, she stuns the venomous serpent and drags it off like a noodle. In Texas, one lynx destroyed an entire chicken coop alone. It took 2 hours. When the owner returned, the cat was licking its paws in a nearby tree, calm after a bloody feast. A fawn strolls calmly down a path. Hours later, the camera records the lynx. It stalks through the darkness, then disappears. Next frame, it's holding the fawn in its jaws. The hunt over in seconds. Four domestic ducks swim in a small backyard pond. A lynx appears, attempts to attack, but is startled away. Later, she returns, more determined. Third time's the charm. This time, she leaves with a duck in her jaws. Not every lynx moment is terrifying. One hilariously mistook plastic turkeys for real ones. She stalked them, struck one, and paused. Something felt off. Only after sniffing did she realize it's a fake bird. Early morning. A man hears a scream outside. A lynx is toying with a squirrel. It fakes disinterest, steps back, then pounces again. A twisted game of tag ends with the squirrel caught and carried away. Filming a lynx is rare. Capturing it, squaring off with a coyote, even rarer. One glimpse, and the coyote flees with its tail between its legs. The message is clear: this cat owns the forest. A motion cam near a rattlesnake nest catches a lynx ambush. She bats, bites, and dodges with ninja-like precision. The predator becomes the prey and then lunch. A lynx hangs from a small deer's neck, both frozen in place. Then, in a final burst of energy, the deer runs with the predator still clinging on. But the effort wasn't enough. Moments later, the lynx finishes the kill, though too exhausted to drag it far. Locals later found and removed the body, but not before another lynx showed up, ready to feast. If a lynx can take down a deer, imagine what it does to rabbits. Multiple clips show how easily it catches them some mid-leap. The lynx may move like a shadow, but its impact is unforgettable. From stealthy ambushes to daring raids, it's clear this predator doesn't play. Which moment shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild footage you won't see anywhere else.